Soundcraft Si Impact, complete monitor, mixing tutorial, step-by-step guide. Struggling to get clean, feedback-free monitor mixes on your Soundcraft Si Impact? You're not alone. And today I'll show you exactly how to dial them in like a pro, step by step. Hey everyone, I'm Bruce from North Florida Live Audio and Soundboard Tutorials. And today we're breaking down the complete monitor mixing workflow on the Soundcraft Si Impact. Whether you're running sound at a church, small venue, club, rehearsal room, or festival, this guide will help you build better mixes, avoid feedback, and make your musicians love you. Let's get right into it. Before we touch anything on the board, let's get the basics clear. On the Soundcraft Si Impact, your monitor mixes are sent through your mix buses, typically mix 1 through 14, depending on your setup. Think of each bus as its own little mixer created specifically for each musician. Mix, you, sa, Aaron 1, sa, lead, vocal wedge. Mix 2, sa, bass, mix 3, soccer drums, mix 4, fa, guitar, mix 5, sa, keys, mix 6, soccer in ears. You can label these for organization, and you should. Here's the number one mistake new operators make. They don't actually select the bus before they adjust the mix. On the Si Impact, press the mix button above the bus you want to control. The whole board now switches into monitor mixing mode for that one musician. You're now sending levels from each channel to that specific monitor mix. This is the key to making clean custom mixes. Start simple. Use this order every time. Lead vocal first. Bring it up until it's comfortable. Their instrument second. Guitar, keys, bass, etc. Rhythm section, kick, snare, hi-hat. Other vocals, everything else lightly in the background. Never send all channels at once. Musicians get overwhelmed fast. Your monitor sends must-be prefader. This keeps your front-of-house changes from affecting their monitors. On the Si Impact, press SEL on the channel, choose post. Select prefader for every monitor send. This is one of the most common beginner mistakes, and it causes chaos. If you hear ringing, buzzing, or howling, stop. Do this. Go to the graphic EQ for that mix bus. Slowly raise the fader on the offending mic. When it starts to ring, find that frequency. Pull it down on the GEQ. Repeat until stable. Your monitors will instantly sound cleaner and louder without feedback. Remember, monitors need clarity, not tone shaping. Keep your EQ simple. Cut low end on vocals, HPF on. Reduce muddy frequencies in 250, 350 hertz. Add a slight boost at 3/5 kilohertz for vocal clarity. Avoid boosting too much. Boosting creates feedback. If someone is using in-ears, give them a full mix. Kick, snare, bass guitars, keys, vocals, ambient mic, if available. In-ears should be a small studio mix, not just their instrument. Never finish a show without saving your work. On the Si Impact menu, shows, save show, name it clearly. This lets you load your entire monitor setup instantly next time. No rebuilding. These are the tricks experienced engineers use. Label every mix clearly. Give vocalists more of themselves. Give drummers more click or snare. Keep stage volume low to reduce feedback. ring out the room before musicians arrive. Never let musicians set their own levels by touching the board. This will make your mixes cleaner and your job easier. If this Soundcraft Si Impact monitor mixing tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video. Drop a comment about what board you use. Subscribe for weekly Soundcraft and live audio tutorials. And check out my Si Impact playlist for more step-by-step guides. You're watching Bruce with North Florida Live Audio and Soundboard tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.